In this tutorial, you will learn how to manage your discussions by viewing their history, renaming and deleting discussions, searching for specific discussions, and starting new conversations. You can view the history of your previous discussions with agents in the Discussions panel located on the left side of the chat. You can change the title of a discussion by opening the Conversation menu and clicking Edit. Then, click the X next to the current title to remove it. Enter the new title and click Submit. Next, you can delete a discussion by opening the Conversation menu and clicking Remove. Click once again on Remove. Then click Confirm to complete the deletion. You can find specific discussions by entering your search terms in the search bar. The discussion history will be filtered according to the search terms you enter. Click a discussion preview to view its content. The discussion will appear in the chat window. You can continue a previous discussion by selecting any agent and sending a message. Finally, you can start a new conversation by clicking the plus button at the top of the Discussions panel, or by clicking the corresponding button in the chat box.